Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brook, and today I wanted to share something with you that I got that I'm super excited about. You all know about these blue light glasses that are going around. Blue light blocking glasses. The computer screens are really bad for your eyes. I learned that they used to have these glasses in the 90s, but the lenses were red. So now they're doing it to where the lenses are clear, and I'm all on board about that because I don't know about you, which I think I probably do. I spend hours looking at screens all day long, and I don't even have a job like in an office. I just spend that much time like photo editing or video editing or just reading on my tablet, or just, you know, all the things that we do on the screens, watching YouTube videos, watching TV, watching movies. The list goes on and on. And I'm sure you guys do a lot of that too. Well, I was super excited that the Google government people were listening to me and sent me ads for those kind of glasses because I bought myself a pair. So that's what I'm gonna share with you today, the pair that I picked. And they're very affordable, which I was scared. When I first heard about them, I really thought they were gonna be super expensive and I wasn't gonna get a pair, but I was like, I really could use a pair. I feel like my eyes have gotten so much worse the past few years that I've really been into screen time. And yeah, I was pleasantly surprised. You can get them from all over the place. So I'm just gonna share with you the ones that I got. I read a lot of reviews. Oh, and I know some companies, you can get the lenses with prescription. So they could be prescription and blue light blocking. I have tried my glasses already. I'm going to pretend I'm unboxing them so you guys can just see how it was all put together. But I've been wearing them and it feels different on my eyes. I don't know if that makes sense. Like, it makes the light warmer. Like, it takes the blue out of things. Not like totally, not 100% or anything. It just softens them. Like when you photo edit and you add warmth, it basically does that, and it feels much nicer. Like, it doesn't feel as harsh on my eyes. But walking around with them on, I can tell there's something on there, and you can see from the lenses that it reflects blue light. Anyway, I went for the classic super round vintage style because I think they're super cute. I went with the company TIJN eyewear. The box is very nice plastic, opaque. If you like packaging, very sleek, very photogenic. Oh, I dropped it. And it smells like my mom. And I don't know why. I have no idea why. It smells like my mom's perfume. So I'm confused by that. My mom's alive, so this is not a spiritual thing. It smells like my mom's perfume. Okay, anyway, let us unbox it. The first thing that's really cool about this is that they send you one of the cards and the little blue light to test your blue light blocking lenses. I have not done that yet. I've been saving that for this video, so I'm really excited to try that. I watched all the videos on it and I'm like, what in the world's going on? Okay. It also comes with a lens cleaning cloth. So here they are on my face. I tried to not look at the big blue screen I put up for my own personal entertainment. So I have a light blue screen on in the background because I always light my TV up with a color when I'm filming. Kind of obsessed with color, if you haven't noticed yet. Anyway, it like takes the light blue and turns it to this like vintagey teal. It's like a nice faded vintagey teal. But yes, this is what they look like on my face. Are they cute? Do you like them? Are my bangs on the inside? Yes, they were. But yeah, here they are. I like them. I think they look really cute. Can you guys tell that they reflect the blue light? I don't know if you can see it like I can see it. It's like when you look at bubbles and you can see all the color on the outside of the bubbles. That's what these lenses look like. Just in regular light, they just reflect that blue bubble color. And they were only $17.99. I got them from Amazon. But if you go to, that's noisy, their Instagram. I was gonna say their website, but if you go to their Instagram, and it's TIJN. If you go to their Instagram, they have on there where you can get $5 off your first order and free shipping. I wish that I had found them on Instagram because I totally would have taken advantage of that. So I don't know how much they are on their actual site. I just know that when I got them on Amazon, they were $17.99. And they had other frames to choose from, black ones, some gold ones. There were some rose gold ones. Like there was a whole bunch of other ones to choose from, so I might get some more because I like them. Now let's use this little device. Oh yeah, here's what they look like, since this is a pretty nice angle. And they do have metal in the legs, so they're not all plastic. Just the front is plastic, so they feel really well made. All right, blue light. Get a good saturation going. Oh, whoa, dude, it totally worked. Gotta test both lenses. We don't want to get ripped off. I wonder what this card is even made of. Yeah, look at that. So they work. They block blue light. They make everything vintage colored up and very warmed visually. But yeah, I definitely recommend, I mean, this company for sure. I don't know if they all come with this, but this was a really cool installment inclusion accessory. I don't know. So TIJN. So if you like this video, hit like, hit subscribe, turn on that notification bell, follow me on Instagram, and share with your friends. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and it would be so amazing if you yourself watching this would go and hit that subscribe button. I really hope you like my content, and I hope that I see you guys again next week.